Hi guys, good morning. It is now Sunday and Brandon and I are back. This morning we got coffee because we were exhausted. It was a busy weekend. We had a barbecue yesterday. We were here working on the carpets and we also went to the races last night. So now we are back here. We're spending basically all Sunday here at the house. We have a coaches meeting tonight, but besides that we're going to be here. And today's goal is to pull all the staples and to get the Kilz primer on the floor. We're hoping to do 2 layers, so hopefully we can do both layers today. It dries pretty fast, and then also start on priming the walls. So that's what we're doing today. Time lapses to come, drinking all the coffee. So here we go. guys, just checking in. It's Sunday. We have been working on the house all day. You didn't see everything just because some of us were working in a run room, and then my mom, Renee, and my brother Kory were here, shout out to them, doing stuff as well. So sometimes I just have the camera in one place, and then the battery died for a while. So anyways, they're gone, it's just us now. Brandon's done 2 layers of Kilz on these floors, on the hallway, the master, and the master closet. He's gonna work on the living room next because the living room had so many staples, it took us hours to get those all done. Since this is dry, I'm going to go ahead and clean the trim, get all the dust in the corners, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start painting start painting the trim in this room tonight. That way it's done before the carpets get installed tomorrow. So it's probably gonna be a late night, but you know, home ownership, so it's gonna be worth it once it's done. All right. I just want to update you guys. I have used the Kilz primer, as you can see, like basically window line is kind of what we decided to do, and we're only going to do the Kilz on the walls in here and then in the corners of the bedroom that have outside walls, and in here it's basically because they did have pets and they had cats that sprayed, and so we just basically went high enough to where it would cover where they sprayed with the Kilz. And then our paint has paint and primer. It's a Valspar paint and primer. So we don't have to prime the whole wall, but we thought we'd do that just to cover up any of that pet stain odor that's left. So much better. Yeah, that's left from the carpets. So and then in our outside bedroom, our bedrooms there on the outside corner, we're gonna do Kilz in the corners. That way the water, you know, just to seal those up and make them look a little nicer. And then the rest of the walls, we're just gonna do our Valspar prime and paint. It's all in one. That would make it a little easier. But in here, just did the Kilz that high. It's all done now in this room. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Valspar, and we're gonna do satin, and it is Cotton Cloud. And then the walls are gonna be the Valspar Eggshell Tahitian vanilla. It's something like that. So it's a light creamy white and then a starker white on the trim. So just updating you guys why I'm not painting like higher.
we thought this through a little bit, I promise.
Yeah, we have a plan.
There's a plan to this
We
dream.
have a plan, and it's Tahiti.
It'll look good once it's done.
Anyone who plays Red Dead Redemption 2 knows that reference.
Okay, well, not really sure. So, anyways, all right, bye guys. Okay, just finished the trim and we weren't like really particular about the top paint above the trim because we're painting all the walls. But office, it's now this stark white, and then we finished in here in this hallway and in the master, and we also took off the master door and the master closet door. That way they're not in the way of the carpet people and I can paint them to match the trim. We'll also have to paint the pocket door here, but I'm not going to deal with that right now. So did all this, did all of the trim in here, and then last room that we finished was the living room, and I feel like it doesn't even look, I don't know if like the camera, if you guys are gonna see like the difference from here, or like when I was painting the trim, if you could tell a difference, but in person it's definitely already a big difference because it's way more stark white. And before we thought it was pretty white until we went and matched the paint, and then we realized that the trim was like a little tiny bit lighter than the color that we chose to paint the walls. And so then we changed and we decided we're gonna paint the trim, and we grabbed this color, which is a lot whiter. So that's where we're ending tonight. It's like, I don't even know what time it is. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning, and we've been here since like 9 a.m., 8 a.m. and it's time to leave. So now that the trim's done, that'll dry overnight. We've done 2 layers of Kilz on the floor, so the bottom part for the carpet is ready. It would have been really nice to finish the actual paint in here before the carpets were installed, and I know a lot of people will be like, why didn't you do that? But we need to get the carpet installed and stuff so we can start moving in. So once we do the painting on the walls after the carpet's done, we're just gonna have to put down drop cloths and tape, and then just be careful when we paint. So that's what we got done today, and I think this might be like the cut part of where this vlog ends for these couple days, and then we will do another check-in when we start painting the walls and after the carpet is put in. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign off for tonight, and thanks for watching, guys. Bye.